Hello friends, viewers in Dobalaklish 24 at the gmail.com. You can send your questions for the further videos, and also you are most welcome in this my channel Easy Maths with Dobal sir. But we are not talking about the only the mathematics here, because Ganga Quest is one of the quiz program under the Namami Gange program. So we are giving some questions which are useful for your upcoming quiz. So today we are taking some more questions for this third day. So let's start. First question. Here I am asking you the confluence of the rivers in these four prayags, because in Uttarakhand there are 5 prayags, right? One is Devprayag, Rudraprayag, Karnaprayag, Nandaprayag and Vishnuprayag. I am giving you the task that you will find the confluence of the rivers in Nandaprayag, but 4 prayag, these are Devprayag, Rudraprayag, Karnaprayag and Vishnuprayag. I am giving you the answer. So where is the confluence of Bhagirathi and Alaknanda? So right answer is Devaprayag. In Devprayag, when the Bhagirathi and Alaknanda meets, it comes to know as the Ganga. Where the Mandakini and Alaknanda meets, yes, this is the place is Rudraprayag. In Rudraprayag, Mandakini and Alaknanda rivers meets. This is the confluence of these two rivers, Mandakini and Alaknanda, in Rudraprayag. Next, where the Pindar river and Alaknanda meets. In all these questions, the Alaknanda is meeting with the different another rivers. So where the Pindar and Alaknanda meets, the answer is Karnaprayag. Yeah, Karnaprayag is the right answer. And where does confluence of Dholi Ganga and Alaknanda? So friends, right answer is Vishnuprayag. In Vishnuprayag, Dholi Ganga and Alaknanda meets in the place. Now the second question is that tributary of river Ganga originates from Dudhatoli range in the district of Pauri Garhwal, Uttarakhand. Pauri Garhwal is one of the district of the Uttarakhand. Joins near Farrukhabad, Uttar Pradesh. So which tributary of river Ganga originates from Dudhatoli range in the district of Pauri Garhwal and joins near Farrukhabad? So this tributary of Ganga, river Ganga, is Ram Ganga. Yes, this is the origin of Ram Ganga. The answer is Ram Ganga, right? Second question is, which Ganga tributary originates from the Amarkantak plateau? Which Ganga tributary originates from the Amarkantak plateau? So the answer is Son. Yeah, Son river. Very interesting thing. The Son river originates near Amarkantak in Madhya Pradesh, just east of headwater of the Narmada river, okay, and flows northwest through Madhya Pradesh state before turning sharply eastward, where it encounters the southwest northeast Kaimur range. So this is the explanation of this Son river. The question was, which Ganga tributary originates from the Amarkantak plateau? So the answer is Son. The next question is, which of the river originates from the Nepal-China border in Tibet and joins Ganga near Hajipur, that is in Bihar? So the answer is the Gandak river. This is also known as Narayani and the Gandak. This is one of the major river of Nepal. Gandak river is one of the major rivers of Nepal and a left bank tributary of the Ganga in India. It originates from the Nepal-China border in Tibet and joins Ganga near Hajipur, Bihar. Okay, so the question is again, which of the river means which river originates from the Nepal-China border in Tibet and joins Ganga near Hajipur, Bihar? So the answer is the Gandak river. It is also, the Gandak river is also known as Narayani. Next question is, Govind Ballabh Pant Sagar is located on which river? Yeah, name of that river, Govind Ballabh Pant Sagar. So the answer is Rihand. Rihand river, in Rihand river that Govind Ballabh Pant Sagar is located. Next question is, which of the tributary of Ganga originates from Nepal Sikkim border and joins Ganga in Bangladesh? Which of the tributary of Ganga originates from Nepal Sikkim border? Yeah, Nepal Sikkim border, that is the Mahananda river. The Mahananda river is a transboundary river that flows through the Indian states of West Bengal, Bihar and Bangladesh. Friends, it originates in the Himalayas. Paglajhora Falls, that is Paglajhora Falls on Mahaldiram Hill near Chimli, east of Kurseong in Darjeeling district. Some of my viewers will say that some of the pronunciation of these places, like this is name of the Sikkim, so my viewers from that place will pronounce those names very comfortably. Like in India, in Uttarakhand, that is Dudhatoli. So Dudhatoli spelling is Doodhatoli. So I don't think that everybody can pronounce this word after seeing this word very correct. So just compromise this with this. So for today, this is all. How did you enjoy and how do you learn? Please share your comments, please share your questions for the next video also. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a very, very good preparation for the quiz. Thank you.